Good morning, children. I welcome you for the Sheba Group of School online class. Last week, the classes we have learnt about the plant tissue. Now we are going to today the organization of tissue, second part of the animal tissue. Okay, what is the animal tissue? The animal tissue an assemblage of the one or more type of the specialized cell. So that is called the animal tissue. So what is the tissue? The study of tissue is known as the histology. The study of tissue is known as the histology. It's clear? So tissue, the two types of tissue classified. What are they? One is a simple tissue and another one is a compound tissue. One is a simple tissue and another one is a compound tissue. What is the simple tissue? The group of cells is organized similar in origin. The group of cells or similar the origin form of the structure and function. It's clear? Next, what is the compound tissue? The group of cell is differentiated to the structure and function. So that is called the compound tissue. It's clear? Simple tissue is a group of cells or similar in origin from the structure, work together and perform the function. Compound tissue is a group of cells differentiated to the structure of function. It's two types of variation. Next, simple tissues, another classified the four types. What are they? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Once again, epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and then nervous tissue. So the four types of tissue is consist of the simple tissue. Next, I explain that one by one. Again, epithelial tissue is grouped the four or five groups are divided into the epithelial tissue. What are they? Squamous epithelium. Then second one is a cuboidal epithelium. Third one is a columnar epithelium. Fourth one, ciliated epithelium. And fifth one is a glandular epithelium. It's clear? Once again, simple epithelium is further divided to the five groups. One is a squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, and then is a cuboidal epithelium, ciliated epithelium, and this is a glandular epithelium. So I explained that first of all epithelial tissue. What is the epithelial tissue? The epithelial tissue is a simplest tissues. Is a one layer of the tissue. So that is called the epithelial tissue. I explained the epithelial squamous epithelial tissue. I show the diagram. Then after I explain one by one. So epithelial tissue, the type of epithelial tissue, I show the diagram. First one is a squamous epithelium. So it is made up of thin cell at the permanent of the nucleus. Okay, found the lungs, kidney and then covering of the skin and the tongue. So first one is a squamous epithelium. Second one is a cuboidal epithelium. What is the cuboidal epithelium? It is a composed of the single layer of the cuboidal epithelium. It's clear? Next, this tissue is present in the thyroid, vesicles, salivary glands and sweat gland is a exocrine. See, these are present in the cuboidal epithelium. Next one is a columnar epithelium. What is the columnar epithelium? It is composed of the single layer of the cuboidal of the cells. Columnar composed the slender and elongated to the pillar of the cells. So this is found in living the stomach region, gallbladders, bile duct and small intestine region. These are next one is a ciliated epithelium. What is the ciliated epithelium? The certain column of them bear the numerous delicated to the hair-like structure that is called the cuboidal epithelium. So next one is this is a respiratory tract, kidney, tubulus and the fallopian tubes are present in the cuboidal epithelium. Last one is here glandular epithelium. Last one is here, you see the glandular epithelium. The epithelial cells are often the modified from the specialized gland. That cell is here secreted the chemical substances will be followed of the epithelial surface. It's clear. This lines only the gastric gland and then pancreatic tubulus, the intestinal region. All are the intestinal region. Listen carefully. This is a epithelial gland. Okay, it's clear. The epithelial gland is modified only for the specialized gland. What the region, what the present of the gland? It lines the gastric gland and pancreatic tubulus and intestine gland. It's clear. Once again, I repeat the squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium and glandular epithelium. Okay, these all are the epithelium tissues. So what is the epithelium tissues? Epithelial, it is the simplest tissue and composed of the one or more than cells covering of the the external of the surface. Next one, function of the epithelial tissue. What are the function of the epithelial tissue? The skin which from the outer covering of the body protect of the underlaying the protect of the skin. It's clear. Protect of the drying and the injuries of the infections. Next one, this help is here absorption of water and then here nutrients. This all the simple epitheliums are the only for the help of absorption and within the nutrients. It's clear. Next one, there are the involved in the elimination of the water product. Elimination of the water product. It's clear. Okay. Next, now we are going to compound epithelium. What is the compound epithelium? It consisted more than 3 layers of the, it gives the stated of the appearance. So that is called the compound epithelium. Compound epithelium is a 2 or more than layers of the presented the compound epithelium. There are also known as the stratified epithelium tissue. Stratified the epithelium tissues. The main function of epithelium is to give the protection to underlaying of the tissues against the mechanical and chemical stress removed for the compound of the tissues. There are also cover the dry surface area and then the skin is moist surface only for the buccal cavity and pharynx region. Is only for the buccal cavity and pharynx region. It's clear. The epithelial tissue is there 2 types of tissue. One is a simple epithelium and another one is a compound epithelium. Simple epithelium is here 1 or 2 and then compound epithelium is here more than layers will be presented. It's clear. Next one is here connective tissue. What is the connective tissue? It is one of the most abundant and widely from the distributed of the tissues. This is many types of divided into the connective tissue. What are the connective tissues? The different types. One is connective tissue, areolar tissue. First one is areolar tissue and adipose tissue. I show the diagram one by one after. Okay. First I explain that all. Connective tissue, example for the areolar and adipose tissue. Next one is supportive connective tissue. And then example for the adipose tissues. So connective tissues, first one is areolar tissue and then second one is adipose tissue. Supportive connected tissues. Supportive connective tissue, first one is cartilage and bones. It's clear. Third one is a dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissues is the first one is tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligaments. So fluid connective tissue, blood and lymph. These are all the tissues, connective tissues. These are all the connective tissues. First of all is supported to the different tissues from the organs. Different tissues from the organ. I show the diagram and explain that the one by one. First one is connective tissue, supportive tissue and cartilage tissues. Then the dense connective tissues, fluid tissues. I show the diagram one by one. Listen, these are all connective tissues. These are all the connective tissues, the proper connective tissues proper the consist of the collagen fibers and elastic fibers or the fibrated cells. First one is a areolar. First one is a areolar cell. It has the cells fibers loosely arranged in the semi-fluid ground of the surface. It is called the matrix region. It is called the matrix region. So it takes from the thread-like structure. You see the diagram? First of all, is the thread-like structures. Thread-like structures crossing the each and other over directions having the small spaces and the called the areolas. Next one, the joint of the skin is the muscles only for the areolar tissues. Next one is adipose tissues. Adipose tissues is the aggregation. Listen, adipose tissues is aggregation. It means fat cells and the adipocyte cells will be presented the adipose cells. This is only for the oval shape in the, listen, this is only the oval shape and spherical shape of the adipose tissues. The adipose tissues will be the aggregation of the fat cell only deposited. Next, what is the shape? Spherical shape and oval shape, and then the surface of the reservoirs. It's clear. Okay. Next one is there are found in the subsequences of the tissue in between the internal organs. Only the form the cell internal organs of the cells of the forms. This is surrounded from the heart and kidney, which is present the heart and kidney. The organs are around the kidney and heart. They act the shock of this apparatus to the cells, kidney of the eyeball cells. So that is called the adipose of the cells. Next one is tendon cell. What is the tendon cells? The tendon cells will be only for the supporting of the tissues. So the skeletal and then connective tissues from the endoskeletal tissues will be presented for the cells. Next one is the tendons means the god of the strong and structures, that is the joint skeletal muscles will be presented of the tendon cells. It's clear. Next one is the strength and the limited of the flexibility of the cell. This one is flexibility of the cells. So that is called the consisted of the bundles of the collagen fibers. Next one, you see the diagram. Ligament. The ligaments will be the highly elastics of the structures. And have the great strength which is connected with the bones to bones. Listen carefully. Connected with the ligament, bones to bones with the connected of the contain of this very little matrix will be presented of the ligament. So the strength will be joint and allow the normal movement. Once again, these are the connective tissues. First one is areolar tissues, and then is adipose tissues, and third one is tendon, and fourth one is ligament. So these are all the connective tissues of the type of the supportive connective tissues, dense connective tissues, and fluid connective tissues. These tissues all are located in our body. It's clear? Listen children, today animals tissues will be, today finish the class. Is a epithelial tissue, simple epithelium, compound epithelium, and then connective tissue. All finish this class. Simple epithelial tissue, compound epithelial tissues, and then connective tissues. Hope you all understand today's video class children. We will meet the next class. Thank you very much.